Welcome to JH. Daisyglobal wants you to believe they are the next big thing in decentralized crowdfunding and AI-driven trading. It is the classic pitch. You contribute the funds, and their genius AI does the heavy lifting while you sit back and wait for the returns. Because, as we all know, nothing says financial security quite like handing your money over to a bot you have never met. But the big question remains, is Daisyglobal actually legitimate? Or is there something you should be worried about? Let's break it down step by step, assuming you still have your wallet in your pocket. When we checked reviews on trusted platforms like Trustpilot, the results were about as pretty as a car crash. Most of the feedback is extremely negative, with users reporting that their accounts were suddenly blocked for no reason. Others claim their funds became inaccessible, which is just a fancy way of saying their money went on a permanent vacation without them. Withdrawals have been suspended with zero explanation, and it seems the platform's favorite response to a crisis is complete silence. Apparently, their decentralized model also applies to their customer service, which has effectively vanished into thin air. The frustration among users is palpable, with many reporting that support has stopped replying entirely. Promises about account access or payments are delayed indefinitely or simply ignored, leaving investors with nothing but a screen to stare at. It turns out that AI trading might just be code for artificial inaccessibility. The common theme here is lost money and a total collapse of trust. To make matters worse, the platform insists you use the Tron Link wallet, but many users report the integration is broken or no longer supported. It is hard to follow the rules when the rules are written in disappearing ink. Then there is the issue of transparency, or rather, the complete lack of it. We tried to find the founders or a management team, but we found absolutely nothing. No names, no verified profiles, and no professional backgrounds. It is almost as if the people running the show don't want to be invited to Christmas dinner. Legitimate investment platforms usually pride themselves on who is at the helm, but here, accountability is non-existent. When you combine that with the fact that there is no email, no phone number, and no physical address, the picture becomes very clear. So is Daisyglobal legit? If you consider blocked accounts, missing funds, anonymous founders, and a disappearing act by support to be legit, then sure. For everyone else, these are massive red flags that scream high-risk platform. Based on the overwhelming evidence, Daisyglobal does not appear to be a safe place for your hard-earned cash. We strongly recommend staying far away to avoid a total financial meltdown. Thanks for watching till the end. If this reality check helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest updates.